connected to the new building of that Turku University Hospital, but it was going to be destroyed. But
Yeah.
it was built in 2004. Late farmers of all of Finland.
Building 9. Staircase B.
Yeah. But it must have also been from the 1960s.
Yeah.
December 6182 or maybe 1966.
Mm.
That replaced, or modernized in 2004, but almost replaced.
Yeah.
The inspection date should have been in January 2023.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder if it's embarrassing one tried this enough.
No. And this not staircase B, it was just the entrance B.
So only one here.
Yeah, only one staircase.
There was one unfortunately destroyed by the design.
Yeah.
Then is it two more that we can check?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inspected by TYKS, maintained by Kone.
And today is the 22nd of September 2023. The capacity is 10 persons or 800 grams. Second floor. And there are three lighted doors. So it probably was a pop-up before.
Yeah.
Still not manned, that's it. Thanks for watching.